Watcha your saucy lot, and welcome to Dazzle Rebel Rides. Hello folks, and if you've been following the series all week, then thanks again for tuning in. Today I'm going to be introducing another member of Indian Motorcycle World, and this guy has been a member for nearly a year now also. Now his channel is a little bit more quirky than most of ours, but is very cool to watch. Seriously, he's got some cracking cutscenes in it. Go check him out. This is Meatball Rebel.
So, welcome to my channel. It's meatball time. Stay classy, meatballs. That's it, yeah. Oh, sorry. Someone else has that. I can't be classy, I'm a meatball. So if you like motorcycles, you like customized motorcycles, you like taking motorcycle trips,
good, there's oxygen on this planet.
watch my channel. I do them all. I try to throw a little humor in it. Have a little fun. Oh, that Harley's hollering.
What is it?
That's a fast hog. Well, on a serious note, motorcycles are dangerous. Just depends on the nut behind the wheel. Well, there ain't no f***ing wheel. You're not supposed to swear on YouTube. Damn! Now I gotta bleep all this shit out. Hey, if you like my channel, subscribe. Give it a look. Woo! Oh, doggy.
So that was Meatball Rebel out in California. He's a crazy guy, but you gotta love him. I'll tell you what, he does make me laugh, and his videos are always interesting. A little bit wacky, but that's how we like it. Go check him out. He's on Instagram and YouTube. I've put the links to both in the description. If you aren't already, go give him a follow, go give him a like, go give him a subscribe. Tell him I sent you. And as regards my channel goes, if you like to ride, let's all hear it all together. If you like to ride, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.